What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today is a long-awaited day. Today, provided everything goes smoothly, we will be firing Scott's Coyote swap. Yes, sir, that is what is up. So, we're out at Jeremy's garage, and it's time. It's time. All right, so let's see what's popping off. Now, if you caught the video last week when we went and picked up this bad boy, I was asking everybody what they thought we should do. So if you didn't catch that video, this car was just picked up, and we're kind of on the fence between putting the car back stock and Coyote swapping it. So let us know what you think. But in the meantime, let's see what is the what. There's the man with the plan. What's up, man? Wow. So it looks like
almost ready.
Oh yeah. Front suspension, brakes are all on there.
Exhaust.
Uh-oh, the exhaust is on there. Let's check this out. So, there it is. 3-inch X-pipe. Neck down there to 2.5, back to the MagnaFlow catback. And I'm not sure if I ever actually mentioned this to anybody, but Scott's car actually is rocking the IRS from an 03 Cobra. So front to rear, this thing is totally custom. Like, Scott is pretty much out of things to do to this car because it's got the Coyote, it's got the 6R80, and it's got the IRS. Custom interior, just like, yeah, pretty much everything. Okay, so, like I was saying, Jeremy's been pretty busy out here this week, and all the air is done. Just got to wire up with the high pressure switch, and just got to wire up the switches on it. Air is ready to go, and if you see down there, trans cooler is in, and I just showed you the exhaust a minute ago. We just got the drive shaft in it. Actually, let's check out the engine here, because everything is wired for the most part in here. Console is all back together, and hold on, I'm gonna get you some light here so you can actually see what we're doing. Cluster in, looking good. Shifter is in. Just gotta put the radio back in it. Few odds and ends. So the cool thing is that we had Scott's car here, and you were able to follow along and see a build that's slightly different, being an automatic, using some of the different parts, and it's almost done. So then you'll get to see my car, which is different parts, stick shift, and so on and so forth. So this has been pretty awesome. So shout out to Scott for bringing the car up here and pulling the trigger on the swap, and Jeremy killed it again. Another fantastic swap. But what we're about to do here in just a minute, see if she'll fire. So here we go.
That makes a great bleeder.
Topping it off.
That's a great bleed hole. Gets all the air out of the system.
That's just cool. A temperature sensor, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Fastest way to bleed a Coyote, right there. Pour it in there. Once it comes out of there, seal that back up. She's full, no air. Boom, bam, done. Okay, so moment of truth. Jeremy, what do you think? Is she ready?
Let's find out.
Got power. Hearing stuff click on and click off. Fuel pump's running. Here we go. Almost. Yeah. set on the charger a little longer?
Yeah, my cluster was showing like 9 volts.
Ooh. Okay, so that was take one. Voltage is still kind of low. Bear in mind this car's been sitting for a while, so we're gonna let it charge up, give it another shot. All right, Coyote first fire, take number 2. Here we go. Come on, baby. Woo! Fuel pressure is 60 psi.
How much?
60.
It should be alright.
Try it again. Oh yeah, baby.
Huh?
He's good. It's alive! It's alive! Trying to figure itself out here. Gonna take a minute. Woo! Little smoky in here. Run a little better. That is steam. Looks a little blue. Yeah, it's steam. She's been sitting for a long time, so don't mind that, but it's idling. Let's get around to the front, check it out again. Cluster is lit up. Gauges. Man, smoothing out pretty well.
Getting there. Warm up a bit.
Yeah. Get some heat in it. Let's check the gauges, see what they're doing.
Save me.
Alright. Oil pressure's good. Volts are good. Obviously it's cold. Check out that cluster though. Dang it. Maybe I should have got the blue lights. Settling down now. Sounds really good. It's real quiet at idle. Put it on the charger. Battery's been sitting for a while. Hey Jeremy, can you goose it a little bit? See what she sounds like? Let's hear that coyote. Yeah, success. The engine's trying to think things over and say, hey, the last time I was alive, I was in an F-150 truck. Now I'm in this Mustang. I don't know what the hell to do with myself. But she is alive. Alright guys, so sorry for the noise. It is a little noisy in here. But, got the fans running, trying to suck all this out. But she is running. sir. All the gauges looking good so far.
Brake working.
Give it a little gas.
Sounding better all the time, huh?
Yeah, sounded real good. A little more. Gotta love it. Yeah, it's been idling for about 5-6 minutes now. Starting to smooth out real nice. Just trying to figure out what in the world it's doing in a Mustang. Yeah, she is good. And alive. Make sure the coolant's getting all bled out. Long road to get here. Woo. Alright, so everybody wanting to know and wanting to see the how the cluster works, all that good stuff. Obviously mine's got a little while to go, but I wanted to show you Scott's. Turn signal left, turn signal right, high beam indicator on, and then you've got your calibration screens. We got to get all those set up. You got your clock here. Obviously his are the blue lights. This one looks a little different than mine, but looks fantastic. Volt gauge, getting a little bit of spike in it, not much, but pretty awesome. And you turn the lights off, cluster goes off. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Everybody wants to know why I talk about it so much and why me and Jeremy and Scott and everybody else are running these in their car, because they're freaking awesome, and it resembles factory and does everything you need it to do. Even if the check engine light pops on, it'll show up on this, so definitely worth it. Alright guys, so the engine is up to temperature, and we were sitting there talking and the fans kicked on. Air running. PCM saw the temperature, fans kicked on, boom. No crappy little switches from the aftermarket, stuff like this. Fired up just like a factory F-150 or Mustang would. Keep her nice and cool. Engine's nice and smoothed out. Right now, just kind of topping off the fluids, the coolant, power steering, all that. Got to double check the levels in the transmission. There's still a lot to do. I don't want anybody to think that just because the car is actually running that it's done and all that. There's still a lot of stuff to do, a lot of little finishing stuff. But, as you can hear, it's running. Sounds like we got a little bit of an exhaust leak. We're checking that out too. But smoothed out pretty good. Yeah, got a little exhaust leak. But she is alive. Definitely cool. Very cool. Now on to mine. Well, there you go, guys. Finally fired up. Jeremy knocked it out of the park again. Changing the oil. Second time.
Yeah.
But she lives. So, once we get kind of figured out with the rest of the stuff that Scott's car needed, as far as just all the little details, because you know the details will kill you with a build every time. Lots of little crap to tie up, but it's alive and all the big stuff is done, so won't be long before Scott can come get his car, and I'm gonna go kind of crazy with my car, get that thing done, and hopefully if you're watching this and you're thinking about coyote swapping, hit us up, because we're gonna have room in the shop for another one, right?
Hopefully.
So if you want a coyote swap, hit us up. The final piece.
Yeah, it's gonna look like it now. Unless I need to order some of them short ones.
Yeah, GLT pole, we need that filter. But that's why you don't have a lot of room there.
Let's see how you got to get that. You got to push it all the way up on there.
Mm-hmm.
It's way further than it goes on.
But
It works.
alright guys, well there you go. First fire. So be back with more work on the red car. Gonna get this one wrapped up and just keep on rolling. I love it. So in the meantime, if you love this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and keep it tuned right here for more epic content. Later.